Today, we're decorating a small bedroom completely from scratch. No renovation, no big furniture changes, just thoughtful details that transform a simple, ordinary room into a space that feels cozy, beautiful, and deeply relaxing. And the best part? We're doing it step by step, so you can actually feel the transformation as it happens. Stay with me, because the final result changes everything. This is where most bedrooms start. Clean, neutral, functional, but also a little cold, a little unfinished. The furniture is there, the space works, but emotionally, the room doesn't give you much. And that's because comfort isn't about how much you add, it's about what you add, and when you add it. Think of this room as a blank canvas, calm, quiet, and full of potential. The first transformation always starts here, the bed, because this is the emotional center of the room. We're keeping the base white, but adding softness, weight, and gentle texture. Notice how the room already feels warmer. Nothing dramatic changed, yet the atmosphere is different. Cozy bedrooms don't scream for attention. They invite you in quietly. This is the foundation of comfort. Now we introduce contrast, but in a calm, intentional way. Soft pillows in muted tones like mint green and warm terracotta bring depth without visual noise. Texture matters more than color. It's what makes a space feel lived in, not staged. The bed now looks layered, inviting, like a place you actually want to rest. This is where the room starts to feel personal. Small details make a big emotional difference. A few books, a simple sculptural object, a touch of greenery, not clutter, just intention. These elements tell your brain something important. This is a space designed for calm moments, for slowing down, for quiet evenings, for gentle mornings. When decor feels thoughtful, the room feels safe. Now we ground the space. A soft rug adds warmth, not just visually, but emotionally. It absorbs sound, softens the room, and makes the bedroom feel complete. This is the difference between a room that looks finished and one that feels finished. Everything is still minimal, but now it's comfortable. Now we introduce movement and softness. A throw blanket, casually placed on the bed, adds warmth and a sense of ease. It breaks the symmetry just enough to make the space feel relaxed and lived in. This single layer makes the bed feel more inviting without adding visual weight. Next, we balance the room vertically. A simple piece of artwork above the bed anchors the space and gives the room identity. The colors stay soft and calming. Whites, warm neutrals, hints of mint green and terracotta. This is where the bedroom stops feeling generic and starts feeling intentional. At this point, the room is already styled, but it's missing one last layer of softness. Sheer white voile curtains gently filter the natural light and soften the way daylight moves through the space. The room instantly feels lighter, calmer, and more refined. This isn't about blocking the light, it's about shaping it. The bedroom now feels complete, even before the lights are turned on. And finally, lighting. Warm, gentle light changes everything. The room feels quieter, safer, more restful. We started with a simple, unfinished bedroom, and without renovation, without clutter, we created a space designed for comfort and calm. This is what cozy really looks like. Small bedrooms don't need more things. They need better choices. If this transformation inspired you, subscribe to Calm and Cozy Homes for more calm, intentional spaces. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video.